EFCC case against Martins Innocent Osie, popularly known as Very Dark Man. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, in the exercise of its mandate of tackling economic and financial crimes, invited Martins Innocent Osie owing to a series of petitions bordering on sundry issues alleged financial crimes raised against him. He refused to show up in spite of several invitations sent to him through his known addresses and medium of communication. It is needful to admit that the Commission is aware of several unguided attacks of suspects against its operations. While such conduct is condemnable, his arrest was not informed by such attack. The relevant law enforcement agency will be allowed to look into them. The EFCC has a lawful right to hold Osie in custody like any other suspect being investigated by the Commission. He has been offered an administrative bail and will be released after fulfilling all the bail conditions. The Commission appreciates the interest of Nigeria in its operation, the passion, enthusiasm, and Tauridian's reaction to all of its activities are welcome. However, insinuation about its motive in carrying out its assignments should no longer continue. The EFCC should be allowed to do its job without fear or favor. As soon as investigations are concluded, charges will be filed.
Hello.